Hello everyone. Today we will see a word problem from the topic of quadratic equations which appears in the 10th standard mathematics CBSE textbook. The word problem goes like this. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. It is quite a simple example in which we have to consider the unknown first. It's a problem of quadratic equations. So we will try to get minimum one variable. So let us consider the variable to be x, and in this problem, as his present age is to be found out, let us say that his present age be x. Let Rahman's present age be x years. It has been stressed in the bracket that his age has been taken in years. So we write x years. Now you see, 3 years ago, Rahman's age was, obviously as it is x today, 3 years ago it will be less by 3. So x minus 3 years. 5 years from now, his age be x plus 5 years. As the problem says, the condition in the problem says, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. So we will consider the reciprocal of x minus 3, which is 1 upon x minus 3, and add it to the reciprocal of x plus 5, which is 1 upon x plus 5. It is given that the sum of these two is equal to 1 upon 3. This equation, you can now see, is having rational algebraic expressions on the LHS. You can see the denominators are x minus 3, x plus 5 and 3. So we will take the LCM of these three, which is 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5. We will multiply throughout by the LCM, multiplying throughout by 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5, we get, as you multiply by 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 throughout, firstly the bracket x minus 3 here and this x minus 3 will be striked off. So on multiplying with the first term, you will have 3 into x plus 5, 3 into x plus 5, plus again when you multiply the second term with 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5, x plus 5 will get cancelled off. So you will get 3 into x minus 3, which will be equal to, this RHS is only having 3 in the denominator. So as it gets cancelled with this 3, you will only be left with x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now you can notice that if you just multiply these terms outside the bracket into the brackets here and take the product of these two brackets, you will eventually get a quadratic equation, because this x will be multiplied with this other x and x into x will become x squared. Therefore, our next step will be 3 into x is 3x, 3 5s is plus 15, 3 into x is once again 3x, 3 into minus 3 being minus 9 equal to x multiplied by x will be x square, x multiplied by this 5 will make it plus 5x, minus 3 into x will be minus 3x, and minus 3 into plus 5 will be minus 15. We will now add up the like terms and this will become 3x plus 3x equal to 6x, plus 15 minus 9 is plus 6 is equal to x squared. 5x minus 3x is plus 2x minus 15. We will get the like terms together, and here I am going to shift this 6x plus 6 to the RHS like this. When it gets shifted to the RHS, they will become negative in sign. So we will have x squared plus 2x minus 6x minus 6 minus 15 equal to 0. And I have mutually changed the sides, so the symbols will remain as they are now, as you can see on the board. So x squared, 2x plus minus 6x is minus 4x, and minus 6 minus 15 is minus 21 equal to 0. Now you notice that this quadratic equation is having this constant term as minus 21 and the middle term is minus 4x. Now the factors of 21, if you consider, are 7 multiplied by 3. But as you want the sum of the middle term to become minus 4, let us consider them to be minus 7 plus 3, because this will be minus 4. So putting it in this quadratic equation, we get x squared minus 7x plus 3x, which is eventually minus 4x, minus 21 equal to 0. From the first two bracket terms, we can take x common. So we will be left with x minus 7. From the second two, we can have 3 common. So we will be left with x minus 7 equal to 0. Now, this bracket is with x, the second bracket is with 3, but both are x minus 7 each. So the common x minus 7 is taken out here. Inside the other bracket, we will get the remaining terms. That is, from the first term, we will take x. From the second term, we will take 3. And this is equal to 0. You can now see that the product of x minus 7 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. We see that when the product of two brackets is equal to 0 and they are real numbers, it means that the first number would be 0, or the second number would be 0, or both may be equal to 0. So we will consider the option of x minus 7 being equal to 0 or x plus 3 being equal to 0. The product of these two numbers is equal to 0. Therefore, each individual bracket may or may not be equal to 0. On solving the linear equations, x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. My dear friends, the age of Rahman cannot be negative, because it will mean that Rahman is still to be born, which is not possible in mathematics. Therefore, we will say as the age of a person cannot be negative, x is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, x equal to 7. We have got the value of the unknown, the present age of Rahman. Thus, we write our conclusion saying, thus, the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Let us check if we are right. 3 years ago, Rahman's age will become 1 upon 4, and 5 years since, Rahman's age will become 1 upon 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. If we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. So 3 ones is 3. 12 divided by 12 is 1. So 1 ones is 1. So this will be equal to 4 upon 12. 4 upon 12 is 1 upon 3. We have got the correct answer. because we have verified. In quadratic equations and word problems, my dear friends, it is always possible that we can verify our answer. I hope you have understood this carefully, and I look forward to seeing you in my other videos for similar kind of examples. If you have any problems, put it as a comment to this video. I will be sure to answer it. Thank you and see you soon. Goodbye.